All right, here we go. YouTube family and friends. Another custom. I did the hood. Of course. The front. That's Sony's new artist. His name is Tilt. He got the sleeves. Well, up under the arm. All of that's done. On both sides. Look at that. I told you he's a Sony music artist. So we got Sony music down here. Oh yeah. Alright, so here's the back. Look at that. Ooh. That's all his song names on the back. Make it. Flawless. Body language. Get this money. And why did you do it? If you want something custom made for yourself, jump in my inbox. Also, don't forget to smash that like button. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel where I show you step by step on how to make one-of-a-kind pieces like this. Until we meet again, and I'm out. Now, that's the side of the jacket. Got the hood done, super studded. Got this side of the jacket. Even got some music at the bottom. Yeah, I think I done went so ham on this one. I think I done used all the damn stones, man. All the damn black stones. Look at that going down the sides.